looks familiar because that's currently showing at the New South Wales Art Gallery, and I'm wanting to see that as well when I get back. So yeah, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so today that ends my visit to the Science Gallery, and now I'm going to head back on the tram towards the YHA where I'm staying, and I still have to check in before making my way to the aquarium for tonight's event, which is, I think, Party with the Penguins or something like that. So yeah, or Party with Pesto, sorry, I think it's called. So thanks for watching.